Hello, welcome to LEV Toys and welcome to day 21 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. We are so close now. Here's the door, there's a little bow on it. What's going to be inside? Look at that. It's a... I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Let's build it and find out. Alright, so we've got our pieces. I've got my little picture of instruction-y things and... Oh, it's a gingerbread house! It's a teeny tiny gingerbread house. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so we need to put this on here and the hinges. I don't know that I've ever had the hinges in this color before. I've already made a mistake because I need this. This needs to be 3 by 3, so it needs to be a square on the base plate. So we're going to hold it together with this one. That's better. Now it's looking a bit better. Put the hinges on the side. This is just the tiniest little miniature gingerbread house. Is so cool and clever. Got to put a nice smooth piece in the middle there. And that makes sure that the hinge pieces sit at just the right angle. That's really, really excellent. And now we've just got to put all the little gummy bits on the top. And we've got the choice between really ludicrously bright green and pink. And I think they look really nice. You don't want to go overboard with the colors on such a tiny gingerbread house. And this here's the hook so that you can put some ribbon through it and hang it from your tree if you want to. I haven't actually done that with any of these yet this year because I've just liked them so much as little miniatures. That is really, really sweet. Actually, it's more than sweet. This is going to be the beginning to my too much Christmas build. So I'm going to take this out of here and I'm going to see you very soon for a too much Christmas build with this gingerbread house in it. And of course I'll see you tomorrow for day number 22, but I'll see you before that. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Bye!